Hey, this is Chase with SLE Equipment. We're located 20 minutes south of Nashville, Tennessee and Antioch, Tennessee. You can call us at 615-641-7720 or look us up online at sleequipment.com. Today, we got our hybrid debris loader with our leaf trailer. This trailer and debris loader package can be used with the exact one that we have right now or other ones that we have listed online. Obviously, as you can see, as you're picking up everything that you're picking up, it's going to go through your vacuum into your debris loader. It's going to get shredded up. As it gets shredded, it's going to go through your tube and out your discharge into your trailer. The specific debris loader that we have on here right now is my Weibang 25 horsepower debris loader. Your fuel tank's right here. Your on and off electric starts right here. You have your choke right there. On your discharge chute, it can move whatever direction you need to use it for. On this trailer, this is going to be a 14-foot tandem axle trailer with 3,500 pound axles. You're going to have 6-foot mesh walls on this trailer. As you can see, there's the opening for your discharge for everything to go in your trailer. This trailer does come with trailer brakes. If you look up top, you do see a tarp kit that's on the top of it to make sure that nothing blows out the top while you're driving down the road. Your bearing buddies right here are greasable on this trailer. On the back of it, you have a 4-foot mesh tailgate. This is a spring assist tailgate. This is a 14-foot straight deck all the way through inside the trailer. This is going to be 6.4 feet wide, so you're going to have 76 inches of width. So if you're not using this for debris loading and that kind of stuff, you can still get your lawnmowers up there, even up to a 72-inch cut. You can get this trailer in a 14, you can get it in a 16, you can get it in a 12-foot. They're really customable, and you can get prices either online or calling our sales team. I got these on my website by themselves. I also got my trailers on my website by themselves, or you can get the whole package deal. I have this trailer with other debris loaders as well on my website. So if you have any questions, feel free to call a sales guy at 615-641-7720 or look us up online at sleequipment.com.